did you go?
I went to Paris. Where did you go?
I visited New York. What did you eat?
I ate pasta yesterday. What did you eat?
I had sushi. When did you leave?
I left at 7. When did you leave?
I left at 8. Who did you see?
I saw my friend. Who did you see?
I met my cousin. Why did you go?
I went for work. Why did you go?
I went for vacation. How did you travel?
I traveled by train. How did you travel?
I traveled by plane. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was great. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, very much. What did you buy?
I bought a book. What did you buy?
I bought clothes. How long did it take?
It took 3 hours. How long did it take?
It took 2 hours. Where did you stay?
I stayed in a hotel. Where did you stay?
I stayed with friends. Who did you call?
I called my parents. Who did you call?
I called my friend. What did you learn?
I learned French phrases. What did you learn?
I learned new recipes. Did you try anything new?
Yes, I tried skiing. Did you try anything new?
Yes, I tried surfing. What time did you arrive?
I arrived at 9. What time did you arrive?
I arrived at 10. Where did you eat?
I ate at a cafe. Where did you eat?
I ate at a restaurant. Who did you meet?
I met new people. Who did you meet?
I met an artist. What did you watch?
I watched a movie. What did you watch?
I watched a play. Did you read anything?
Yes, I read a novel. Did you read anything?
Yes, I read a magazine. Where did you walk?
I walked in a park. Where did you walk?
I walked by the beach. What did you listen to?
I listened to music. What did you listen to?
I listened to a podcast. How was the weather?
It was sunny. How was the weather?
It was rainy. Did you see animals?
Yes, I saw many. Did you see animals?
Yes, at the zoo. What did you drink?
I drank coffee. What did you drink?
I drank tea. What did you wear?
I wore a jacket. What did you wear?
I wore a dress. Did you buy souvenirs?
Yes, for my family. Did you buy souvenirs?
Yes, for my friends. How did you feel?
I felt excited. How did you feel?
I felt relaxed. What did you see?
I saw the Eiffel Tower. What did you see?
I saw Central Park. Did you make friends?
Yes, I did. Did you make friends?
Yes, a few. What did you eat for breakfast?
I had pancakes. What did you eat for breakfast?
I had cereal. Did you take photos?
Yes, many photos. Did you take photos?
Yes, lots of pictures. What did you see at the museum?
I saw ancient artifacts. What did you see at the museum?
I saw famous paintings. Did you swim?
Yes, in the pool. Did you swim?
Yes, in the ocean. Did you go hiking?
Yes, in the mountains. Did you go hiking?
Yes, in the forest. What did you buy at the market?
I bought fresh fruit. What did you buy at the market?
I bought vegetables. Did you go to a concert?
Yes, last Saturday. Did you go to a concert?
Yes, last weekend. What did you write?
I wrote a letter. What did you write?
I wrote an email. Did you enjoy the show?
Yes, very much. Did you enjoy the show?
Yes, it was great. What time did you sleep?
I slept at 11. What time did you sleep?
I slept at midnight. How did you celebrate?
With friends and family. How did you celebrate?
With a big party. What did you bake?
I baked a cake. What did you bake?
I baked cookies. Where did you dance?
At a club. Where did you dance?
At a wedding. Did you visit a beach?
Yes, it was beautiful. Did you visit a beach?
Yes, very sunny. Did you take a nap?
Yes, in the afternoon. Did you take a nap?
Yes, I was tired. Did you attend a workshop?
Yes, on photography. Did you attend a workshop?
Yes, on writing. What did you draw?
I drew a landscape. What did you draw?
I drew a portrait. Did you visit family?
Yes, over the weekend. Did you visit family?
Yes, last month. What did you fix?
I fixed my bike. What did you fix?
I fixed my laptop. Did you volunteer?
Yes, at a shelter. Did you volunteer?
Yes, at a school. What did you donate?
I donated clothes. What did you donate?
I donated books. What did you practice?
I practiced speaking. What did you practice? I practiced writing.
Wrap up.
Okay, wrap up.
That was helpful practice.
Yes, it really was.
Let's practice more later.
Sure, see you then.
Bye.
Take care.
You too, bye.